in the pre-line for the line for Hollywood Studios.
It's hot.
Temperature screening and through security. Hollywood Studios, September 25th, 2020. The early morning queue for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. You can tell what the new toy in town is. Everyone's not racing to Toy Story Land this morning for Slinky Dog. They're coming over here for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad.
Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train car at all times. Be sure to stay in your seats and people watch the line of your little railroad ride.
Okay, we've been here just a little while, but park opened at 10 a.m. and we've rode Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and it's 10:10. So 10 minutes for the ride, but in the park for over an hour and a half. As we got off the ride, we saw that the wait time is now 105 minutes, so definitely more crowded here at Hollywood Studios than it's been at the other two. It is Friday, September 25th, 2020. (10:16 a.m.) and here are the current wait times at Hollywood Studios on Friday, September 25th, 2020. This is the line for Rock and Roller Coaster. Says 35 minutes. We'll see.
And remember that you'll need to stow all bags and loose items. If you're traveling with any large packages that won't fit your feet, you shouldn't
Plastic dividers between each road. Surprisingly, 35 minutes start to finish. That's going to be the first part of our Hollywood Studios day. Stay tuned, I'll upload part 2 shortly. Thank you for watching the videos and please subscribe.